stable mind, very powerful, and can achieve anything it aims at. What really comes to my mind is the danger of the powerful mind, because we can definitely notice that as we develop our practice, we become more adept at choosing how we think, when we think, and what we think about. And this tame mind is very much more flexible, pliable. And what we then need to do is to be very careful about how we apply this mind. How do we practice continuously for liberation without allowing ourselves to get distracted by the potential that this mind clearly has? So the mind has great potential. We have great power when we have a tame mind, and we can choose to do this, that, or the other. So let's be very careful about the choices that we make, and let the choice always be toward greater letting go, disidentifying with this mind, really allowing this mind to come to a place of unshakability. And it becomes more challenging as the mind becomes more pliable, powerful, clear, bright, unfettered. It's more challenging because there can be more temptation to then dive into something and make it really good, or to take up some kind of worldly power with a feeling of this will be very good because I know what's best. I know how to help other people. Let me put all my energy into that. This is wholesome, but more wholesome is to practice for liberation. It's not that we don't want to do good. It's not that we don't want to apply clarity, a clear mind to the good. We certainly do, but we always want to remember to give priority to letting go, to mindfulness, to path. We can achieve pretty much anything we aim at. We always get what we want. We always get what we want. What we have to be very careful about is to direct our intentionality so that we're pointing it towards Nibbana, towards freedom, towards the good, towards path, the Eightfold Path. This is where we want to direct all of that intention, because, we'll get what we want. This is the way it works. We have to be so careful about this, to look at our desires and to refine them. Keep refining them. Let taṇhā, all the craving for material desire, material things, let all of it channel into Chanda, spiritual desire, and let that spiritual desire be constantly channeling into letting go. Not this, not that. This is not me, this is not mine, this is not myself. With every experience in every moment, and to meditate. Bring the mind again and again to the mat. Sit it down and develop the meditation practice, and then let that flow on into our everyday life in every moment, the mindfulness that's letting go.